Hey, if you want to adjust the gestures of your touch sensor on the SONY WF-C700N, first of all you have to be connected with the Sony application and then go to the System tab. And here you can change the button function on the left and the right earbud. And so to do this, you should just click on the settings icon. And first on the left one, as you can see, we can adjust the ambient sound control on the single press. So currently I can go to the playback control, go to the volume control, or for example to the node assign. So right now I just simply turn off this feature on the both functions. But let's say that I want to get the playback control, and on the right one it looks pretty the same. So if you want to adjust the volume control, that's how you can do this. And yeah, right now to finish, click done in the right bottom corner. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.